Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get Tomodachi Life Living the Dream on PC and Switch for free. This is the fastest method, and this is going to save you a bunch of money because if I just head on over to the Nintendo eShop, you can see a digital copy of this game costs around $60 or 50 Great British pounds. As you can see, you can get a digital code. I'm going to show you how to get a copy of Tomodachi Life for free. So this is going to get you one of those digital codes that you can redeem in the eShop or in the Steam store. Before I show you this method, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I am always searching for money saving tutorials. And let's not waste any more time and let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get Tomodachi Life Living the Dream on PC for free and also on Switch. So you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your digital code, and then you can redeem it on whatever platform you play on. So head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it exactly how I've typed it here. You can pause the video and copy that down. But yeah, Crash Coupons is an awesome game code website. If you haven't seen these before, I highly recommend you bookmark them because they do add and remove codes pretty often. They have like hundreds of pages of codes on here, guys. So what you're going to want to do is use the search bar where it says search here, and in there just type in Tomodachi Life. You're looking for the free game code. So this is going to get you a copy of Tomodachi Life Living the Dream for free on Nintendo Switch and PC. So this works no matter which platform you want to play on. And it's going to look for a valid game code for you that you can use. So as you can see, it says your code is ready. You need to unlock your code, guys. This basically stops people getting hundreds of codes. You can only do this once to get one game code. So what you're going to want to do, I've already done this, so I can't do it again, but you got to click on this button that says get full code, and you're going to see a new screen, and basically it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do. So let me just show you actually. Click on that, and it says here complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Crash Coupons, and then it says follow the instructions below each app. So basically, guys, you've got to complete 2 tasks on this page following the instructions. These are really easy things like installing mobile apps and stuff. Once you complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to Crash Coupons, and your Tomodachi Life game code will be revealed and you can redeem it. And that is how to get Tomodachi Life Living the Dream on PC and Switch for free. So head on over to Crash Coupons, navigate your way to the Tomodachi Life game code page, so you can use the search bar or scroll through. But yeah, that is how to do it, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.